Are you tired of breathing in pet dander and dust at home? Do you know that indoor air can be 5 times more polluted than outdoor air? This is a serious issue for homeowners with pets. The KNKA Air Purifier is a game changer for people like you, solving the problem of polluted air in your home. It's designed to provide a cleaner and healthier environment for you and your family, and it's especially useful for those who suffer from allergies or asthma. The KNKA Air Purifier is a powerful device that purifies air fast, making it perfect for homeowners with pets. It has a 226 CFM ADR, which means it can clean the air in your home quickly and efficiently. The 4.8x/H air refresh rate is also impressive, allowing for a full air change every 12 minutes. This is particularly useful for large homes or homes with multiple pets, as it ensures that the air is constantly being cleaned and purified. The 3-stage filter is designed to capture 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, including dust, pollen, and pet dander. This means that you can say goodbye to annoying allergy symptoms and hello to clean and fresh air. The 22 to 24 dB noise level is whisper quiet, making it perfect for bedrooms and living rooms, where you want to relax and unwind without any distractions. The 1,695 square feet coverage area is large enough to cover most homes, and it's AHAM verified, which means it meets strict industry standards for performance and safety. Using the KNKA Air Purifier in your daily life is a breeze. Imagine waking up to fresh, clean air every morning, or coming home to a pet hair-free living room after a long day at work. You can place it in your bedroom to get a good night's sleep, or in your living room to keep the air clean while you're watching TV. It's also great for home offices or gyms, where you want to stay focused and energized. The KNKA Air Purifier is also a great solution for people who live in areas with high levels of air pollution, as it can help to remove harmful particles and gases from the air. Additionally, it's a great option for people who have pets that shed a lot, as it can help to reduce the amount of pet dander in the air. Overall, I'm really impressed with the KNKA Air Purifier. It's powerful, quiet, and efficient. The best thing about it is how quickly it can clean the air in your home. My only downside is that it's a bit pricey, but it's worth it for the quality and performance. I'd give it an 8 out of 10. The KNKA Air Purifier is a worthwhile investment for anyone who wants to improve the air quality in their home and reduce their exposure to harmful pollutants. If you're interested in getting your hands on the KNKA Air Purifier, I've got a link to it in the description below. Be sure to check it out and let me know what you think. If you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more product reviews and tech news.